The only way to do work is to love what you do. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. The best revenge is massive success. Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own actions. Strive not to be a success but rather to be of value. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. The mind is everything what you think you become. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. If you are going through hell, keep going. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. A goal is not always meant to be reached, it often serves simply as something to aim at. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Change your thoughts and you change your world. It is hard to beat a person who never gives up. Don't let what you cannot do interference with what you can do. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you reach to it. The best way to predict the future is to create it. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Tough times never last, but tough people do. I am not a product of my circumstances, I am a product of my decisions. You can't use up creativity, the more you use, the more you have. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Limitations live only in our minds, but if we use our imaginations, our possibilities become limitless. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Motivation is what gets you started, habit is what keeps you going. If you don't design your own life plan, changes are you will fall into someone else's plan.